If I don't do this weekend, there's been no point of me paying for $12 shipping. I was like, I gotta do it.
Sometimes I can do it. Yeah, sometimes I can do it. Something. Play dad. Oh, yeah. Play dad. Yeah. Okay, wake up. Play dad.
That's great. Man, the last little bit is going slow.
You doing already?
Huh?
Oh.
Almost there.
Huh?
China number one.
It means candied food, which is like a gourd. Shape that's supposed to look like. So it's sugared gourd, but it's usually like hawthorn berries or strawberries. Yeah, good. Mandarin slice is also really good for like tanghulu. Just do individual slices.
China number one. Yeah, they got, so like, I went to the washroom and there was no one partnered like left in the whole class out of 30 except the one old Chinese guy. He didn't have a partner. So then I got like, everyone's like, oh, he's stuck with the guy who doesn't know English. And it turns out he's just like 37 years experience. He like can do everything without even looking at the sheets. And I was like, man, like this guy saved me. Yeah, dude. And I was like, oh my god, he's the best. And then I help him with English because like his like for like translating stuff, so like for the logic. Like if this goes up and this goes down, you're like, what's that? And I'll like explain it to him. So we actually like make a good combo.
Dude, tell him 我是傻逼. He'll fucking love that.
What's that?
I'm a dumb cunt.
I didn't say that, man. He's sad. No, he's so nice, dude.
No, it's I am.
Oh.
You will laugh his ass off.
It was like when I like didn't know what like I said something like do lay low mel or something. And some guy told me to say it to the 6-year-old guy. He's like, in my country we take you outside, kill you. I was like, what did I say? My friend said it was nice. You tell me to F my mother. I was like, oh no. I was like, I'm sorry, I didn't know. Yeah, maybe it is 125. It takes 10 years. Yeah, dude, there's no way I'd be able to do this. Like,
It's coming crack, call the cops.
there's no way I'd be able to do this. Like, I'd have to almost like get it almost all the way cooked, and then
If only there's a way to half of the syrup.
yeah, I know, because like that's why eventually probably just be easier to like cook homeless people eggs and shit. You know what I mean? Because if I'm doing this, like I'll like start getting a flock of like security and cops on me, and I'll be like, hey, what are you doing? You're cooking. Like, it's sugar. I swear. It's almost there.
You gotta stick around.
I'll stick around. I just put my jacket on.
Oh, great. Nice fine. Very good.
I give them any waters.
I know Kristen. I don't look at her. No. Well, you know what's exciting about that though, Nick? We'll make more fun when it's summer. I'm kind of down with that. This is I got spare butane downstairs I can have.
Like one can will last you like a fucking month.
I've never bought a new one, and I did torching for like years with it. And you're like not doing relays and stuff, you know what I mean?
We buy these for hot pot.
Yeah, and I was thinking like there's the little ones that I could use in Japan, but these seem pretty good because they're more stable. Yeah, I don't have to worry about it. Yeah, it's been cooking almost 10 minutes. Oh, it's got a nice base, so I'm not gonna set the table on fire. It's good.
do this usually. It's not even somebody uses syrup and the pan's not hot.
On my filter. But dude, I saw them using a tamago pan in Japan.
Yeah,
I was
you
like,
gotta
that's so smart.
skillet.
And they had a wok in
Yeah,
China. So I was like,
skillet.
I think I need to try that.
The skillet will work better.
I remember I used to never ever use a thermometer. I just used to eyeball it. I feel like it is 135. It must be 135.
Drinks up.
Well, you gotta get a candy thermometer so it can just sit on the side.
Oh yeah.
Like a ding dong.
I know, that takes so long.
So then you can just like keep talking to them while they're
It's hardly because like we just like
Move over. Yeah.
They were all drinking on Friday. Friends. Those friends that they had at the party. Yeah, those friends. Every time they get together, those friends use like drama. Not, I don't think it's anything to do with them. I think it's just when they hang out, they have like wine.
Yeah.
You
So
know?
what comes after? I mean,
We're doing it.
I kind of do too. Yeah, you know that.
Yeah.
I don't really
Yeah.
break up with her. I don't say that's good. It's not my business. And we all have to. And I've already discussed many times.
What are these? Kumquats?
Yeah. I don't think so. I just don't think like it's a. There's no.
Let me eat it.
Has to go that way.
Just check it.
I'll use my teeth to check.
Yeah, check if it's
Eat the whole thing?
check if it's good. Yeah.
Like on like a fucking year. Yeah. It was just like.
Did it crunchy yet?
No, it didn't. Well, exactly. That's what it's such a red flag, is it not? Like.
Is it good? What? Strawberries. Strawberries would be better. Giant strawberry.
But yeah, it's not my business. I don't know very well.
What food color? How about this one?
Really? Somebody like just came up with something like that.
Almost like they need. I wonder if they need more time in the ice.
Can you make it thinner?
Thinner? Ah, it's so hard. I think I gotta like put them in the bubbles sooner. I saw like in the Chinese videos that they're only putting it in the, like just the tip. Look at that. Let's see. Try
I wonder what happens if you throw like baking soda in.
that. It turns into like the Squid Game cookie.
Squid Game cookie?
Yeah. Turns into the Dongola.
Fucking like coworker.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's do that. Literally, you're the one I was like, oh man. Deal with this. Move on. I'm inspired.
Alright, there's Reddies if you guys want some.
I would like to try.
Maybe try the strawberry one. It's
I want to try the kumquat.
Stefan says it's weird. You gotta eat the skin. It's like skin and seeds.
Oh.
So it's just nice to chew on and then spit it out afterwards.
Strawberry.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Oh my god, I want that one.
Just wait for the whole thing.
Holy fuck.
You want one? This is strawberry coated in sugar.
No.
It's like I
I appreciate the offer.
I
It's really
couldn't.
hard to buy down on.
These strawberries are so big. Oh my god.
Overly assumed big. Okay, that's it. Holy Dylan.
Yeah, it's not hard. It's not hard if you're not a person.
I'll try a kumquat. Give me a kumquat.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were handing it to me.
Oh, sure, yeah.
It's more enjoyable when the sugar's not as hard there, Paul.
Okay.
You notice the thing. No, you won't do.
Here, get this.
Huh? Yeah? Very good.
Oh.
Pretty authentic.
What's wrong with it? Great.
Is it? Steve, are you able to order Tabasco or shall I just do it on Amazon? Probably can.
I'm dripping everywhere.
Oh no. Strawberry down.
Boom, roasted.
Steal another strawberry.
Go ahead.
I like that. Tasted it, I just don't like the taste of it.
Oh, I lost a strawberry now. The strawberry test. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Huh?
What the day? Oh, I just Oh, yeah.
What do you call that?
How big are you?
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't think I can get the one that has 3. I don't have enough sugar left. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, mainly popcorn berries is what it's cheap, but
I don't know what that is.
popcorn.
Yeah.
It's kind of like it's red, it's kind of hard texture-wise, kind of like an apple, I guess.
Oh no, and I gotta dip my hand in it. Oh god.
Look at her go.
I lost a strawberry.
Well, like apple and mint is less.
Yum yum.
Ah.
Mukbang.
Yeah,
Yeah, he just had to mukbangs, dude.
Yeah, he's got tanghulu mukbang.
No, yeah, but like it's Sarah to do mukbangs.
Oh,
Like, no
yeah.
I know,
offense, Sarah's
okay.
kind of hot.
That makes
They're
sense. That makes more sense.
Yeah, I know I should.
No one wants to see some guy do mukbangs. They
He's
want to
cute
see a
too.
girl like Sarah do mukbangs. Huh?
Him out Randall does very well. So they call him tanghulu bro.
Mm.
Tanghulu bro.
Really?
Randall, yeah. Tanghulu bro.
It makes you feel better, Cole. Well, I'll watch you do whatever the fuck you want.
It's like when I check the demographics, who's who watches me sleep stream, and it's all dudes. I'm like, uh oh.
Nickname the stranger bangs. Mukbangs. Bang bangs.
Mmm.
I'm off. I can go wherever I want.
Is that enough? Yeah. All I have to do is get off.
Mmm. It's hard for it to stay crunchy.
I don't know.
You don't know, now you know.
Oh, little shell.
Fuck you, Jinx. Nobody ever asked you, Jinx.
Mmm.
Exposure Sharpie. Wait, say it again like that? Sorry, we're ruining the mukbang.
Mmm.
I want a mukbang. Go on.
I want a mukbang. You want a mukbang. We want a mukbang. Better than
This looks kind of tick, but who gives a shit? I want it.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, I like doing your technique. Nice.
Which one?
Nice technique.
The sucking?
The second technique.
You'll find your life in Canada.
At least one.
Can you just say, I have $1 million back in Canada? And then they all fall in love.
million.
I just gotta say hello. They're like, whoa, you speak English?
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah.
I haven't eaten any like carbs or sugar in like 4 days. So
Really?
I'm breaking the fast. Oh, I did like an almost 2-day fast and I was like dying.
I was gonna say, you're gonna get like the biggest sugar rush ever.
Yeah, when I finally ate, I could feel like in my blood. I was like, ugh. It was like that Naked and Afraid show where everyone's starving to death.
I'm afraid. What time you get off though? 4 also?
Yeah.
Then you're gonna go home, right?
Mmm.
What?
It's like a half-hour drive. Okay, where's the
Well, we'll pull it off. I cooked down in the public.
I got friends in the north.
Next we'll do out in the street. Peace.